Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well. So we got a new series for you where we're going to be dealing with errors that you might be getting in Laravel. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it basically videos for each individual error that you might get, explaining why you get them and basically how to fix those kind of errors. All right. We're going to start off with the basics and then we're going to move on to a little bit more advanced ones as we go on. Right. So if you have any errors that you might be getting in Laravel and don't know how to fix it, please leave it in the comment section and we will make a video about that one as well. All right. So let's start off with the first one. That's the most obvious one that most people get. This one right here. Now, in this case, you will get an error and you will see class and then whatever in between there. This can be anything. In my case, it will be app HTTP controllers post not found. Right, so it just means that class is not found. So this is the one right here. Just want to give you guys a couple of tips while we're at this page. If you go to the request, it will actually show you which route did you ask and a whole lot of information. This is basically the cookie information and things like that, but I want to show you the app one right here. It will actually show you the controller, the routing for the controller, and the route name, and the middleware can be displayed here as well, and obviously the view in the data. Right now it's not showing anything because it's struggling to get past that point where it actually found this. All right, so let's quickly go and fix this class not found. All right, so I got my class not found. As you can see, it gives us a clue to where it is. And the clue is as follows. You will see app HTTP controllers post. It will kind of indicate where this is. Okay, so let's quickly go and check. And you would see under here as well, where's the controller and where this route actually giving you error, where it is. And add index basically means add the index method. All right, so in here, the only thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you bring in that model. So in this case, you can see the class is not found, and that can literally mean any class. All right, as you can see, I'll import the class. Now, if you're using any class in, let's say in Visual Studio Code, you will see it's highlighted with yellow right here because you kind of indicated right there. Just make sure you bring in that full path, because in this case, Visual Studio Code doesn't know where this class is. So when we bring in the namespace, basically to that path of that model, now in this case it's the model, it knows how to find this class. Okay, so now it doesn't get lost and actually gets fixed right there. And obviously in the next reason why I set it up like this, just to bring you to another error that I want to show you as well, just for this video. So now we got this, we might get now a different error. So let me just go into my pages right here. As you can see, we're looping for every post right there. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to uncomment this. All right, so comment it out so we don't get it right there, and delete it, because I just want to show you another error as well so that you can know how to fix that. All right, the error will look like this. You get the undefined variable post. All right, now the reason for this error is you will actually get a little preview right here for each post as post. Now, Laravel Blade, this doesn't know what this post is, so it doesn't know what to do with it because it's undefined. All right, so let's quickly go to our controller. In order to fix that error, we just need to basically pass that to the view. All right, so that the view will know what post it is. All right, in order to pass a variable to a view, you can do it with a compact method like this, or you can do it with square brackets, and you can put all of this in here. And then let me just delete this quickly. And instead of using the $sign, you can just do this like that. All right. All right, so now we're actually passing that post variable to the view like that. Okay, so there's two ways. This way, or you can use the compact method to do that. All right, so that's the end of this video, guys. And in the next ones, we're going to go through the different errors that you might be getting and basically how to fix them. If you have any suggestions for these videos that we're going to do, or you would like me to explain it a little bit better, please leave it for me a comment section, and I will see if I can improve them going forward. At the end of the day, I don't want to confuse you more. I actually want to help you. So if you feel like I need to do a little better job at it, or whatever the case, please leave a comment for me, and I'll see if I can improve on that. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Adios.